Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can publish an Android app to the Google Play Store. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So open your browser and head over to the Play console. Now click on Create App. Here type your app name. Select your category and click on Free or Paid, that depends upon you. Check the boxes and click on Create App. Scroll down to Set your app. Click on App Access, and in here select this option if your app has the login or sign up page. If not, then you can click on the first option. Click on Ads and click on the first option if your app contains ads. Go to the content rating and click here. Provide your email address. Select the category and hit Next. Here answer the questions. Now click on Submit. Click on the target audience. Select the age group and click on Next. Click on the appropriate answer and click on Save. Click on the News app, and if your app isn't the News app, then click on No. Now below that, tick the third option and hit Save. Before moving on to data safety, first you have to provide the privacy policy URL, and for that scroll down to the bottom and click on App Content and hit Start. Just paste the URL and save. Now go back to the data safety. Click on the appropriate answer and hit Next and save. Now move on to the next step. Select your app category, pick suitable tags, provide your email address, click on Save. Now set up your store listing. Type a short description and full description. Scroll down and upload your app icon. Here upload a banner image with the size 1024 x 500 pixels. Scroll down and upload the screenshots. Click on Save. go to the dashboard and scroll down to publish your app. Click on Countries and Regions. Add the countries and go back to the dashboard. Click on Create a new release. Click on this button to go to the upload page. Now upload your ABB file here. After the upload, scroll down and here you can add some release notes. Now click on Save. Click on Review Release. And click on Start Rollout to Production. Now your app will be sent for review. After the approval, your app will be live on the Google Play Store. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.